High-Tech are currently doing a triple whammy of a deal on financing of machine tools at the moment. So I wanted to find out a little bit more. So we're going to speak to Paul Eaton, who is the finance manager for Ward High-Tech. So Paul, thank you for your time today. Ward High-Tech often use finance as a sales aid to make their machine tools more accessible. So can you tell me a little bit more about this?
Yeah, good morning, Lindsay. Yeah, Ward High-Tech Finance is an extremely important part of Ward High-Tech's business, and to the extent that more than 50% of our sales are with a loan arranged in some format by Ward High-Tech Finance. Over the years, we've tapped into various schemes, any form of grant that's been available. And one in particular, the Regional Growth Fund, was very successful a few years ago. We've also got our own schemes, of course, our own confidence package, and our tried and trusted and very transparent buy now, pay later scheme.
Right, can you tell me a little bit more about this? Because this is quite interesting. You often have your buy now, pay later, but you're literally doing buy now and you don't pay a penny until December 2021. So you can be making money off your machine and you're not actually paying anything. Is that right?
Yeah, this is a very exciting offer, Lindsay, and probably the best offer we've put together in my 30 years of Ward High-Tech. Why, you may ask? Well, what we're doing is we're offering a customer a buy now, pay later scheme where they don't pay anything up to the end of the December. So taking advantage of a paid credit holiday, no interest, and linking that with the government CBILS scheme, where the government are paying the vast amount of the interest in the first year. So what we've got here is a finance offer where a customer pays nothing to the end of the year, then reduced payments actually for another 6 months, potentially, but it's all linked to this government scheme where they're paying a considerable amount of the interest. So it really is a good deal. And if a customer can, and if customer affords to pay it over 2 or 3 years, it's extremely competitive offer.
And naturally, customers might think, oh, are there any restrictions to this offer? Are there?
No restrictions. The loan application's got to be in before the end of March because the CBILS scheme is due to end then. But no. So what we have on the table here is an offer on 40 plus stock machines, which I say are an offer at a promotional price available for a very early delivery. And at the same time, a customer can enjoy a credit holiday to the end of the year, and at the same time take advantage of a government scheme where the government is paying a significant part of the interest. So the whole package is really very good.
I think it's even better than that, firstly, Paul. It's fantastic. Often you get these schemes and you might be able to have one, but the fact that you've been able to kind of amalgamate the three of them and have your stock machines there ready to go, it's just making machines right now that little bit more accessible. And we keep saying, MTD keeps saying, now is a really, really good time to buy and invest in your company, and it's a great way to do it. So really appreciate your time, Paul, and all I can do is, if you're looking at machines and considering them at the moment, and you do want to get involved with these finance options, then speak to Ward High-Tech for more information. Thanks for your time, Paul.